In front of me is CUBOT P40, and let me show you how to check total screen time on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select digital well-being and parental controls. And here you should reach your digital well-being tools right here. And right in front of you, you've got the stats regarding the usage of your device. And if you'd like to have some more specified, if you'd like to have some more detailed info, just click on it again. And here you've got really detailed stats. So for example, you can check each app and settings been in use for 30 minutes to date, then for 2 minutes yesterday and 1 minute 2 days ago. And here you've got a list of all apps. If you'd like to enroll it, you can smoothly click on show all apps and you will be able to check detailed info. So basically that would be all. This has been smoothly and easy check total screen time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.